Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. DNS, domain name system, is a critical part of the internet infrastructure that translates human-readable domain names into IP addresses. Python provides various libraries and modules for working with DNS, such as dnspython. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use Python and dnspython to query DNS records and handle common issues like cannot get RRSIG records, no answer. Before you begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites. Python installed on your system, you can download it from python.org. The dnspython library installed. You can install it using pip. DNS records are used to store information about domain names and their associated IP addresses. RRSIG, Resource Record Signature, records are used to provide data authenticity and integrity through dnsec, DNS security extensions. When querying for RRSIG records, you might encounter the error cannot get RRSIG records, no answer. This error typically occurs when there are no RRSIG records associated with the queried domain or when dnsec is not properly configured. Let's create a Python script that uses dnspython to query DNS records and handle the cannot get RRSIG records, no answer error. In this script, save the script to a .py file, example dns_query.py. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory where the script is located. Run the script using Python. Replace the domain_name and record_type variables with the domain and record type you want to query. In this tutorial, we learned how to use Python and the dnspython library to query DNS records and handle the cannot get RRSIG records, no answer error. You can use this script to troubleshoot DNS issues and verify dnsec configurations for domains. ChatGPT.